Hello and welcome to today's episode of Engel Völkers Property Tours. My name is Kiana Varvani Farahani and today I'm very happy to welcome you from the Grand Tower in Frankfurt. Let's go! This luxury apartment is based on the 39th floor and comes with 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms and a storage room. The apartment is completely equipped with a high-end interior and comes with a smart TV, Sonic's access through the whole apartment and designer art. The general equipment is a central air conditioning, electric shutters, passenger lift, underfloor heating, smart home system and an in-house 24/7 concierge service. The living room has a great size and a really nice interior. It's so luxurious. The kitchen is elegant, has clear lines, minimalistic and fully equipped. You just have to move in. I don't have to name that the USP of this apartment is this spectacular terrace. You reach from the living room and the second bedroom. Have a look. The large bedroom comes with a huge wardrobe and a beautiful ensuite bathroom. The high-end interior with the marble floor is so unique. To me, it's super comfortable to have a second bathroom, and here again, fully equipped, very elegant and high-end interior. The second room can be used as a second bedroom, kids' room or office due to its great shape and size. Well, that's the end of our property tour. I hope you have enjoyed this apartment in the Grand Tower Frankfurt as much as I have. I have to mention, this apartment is completely equipped, so you just have to move in. If you're interested in further information, please do not hesitate to contact us anytime. I wish you a lovely day and say goodbye.